Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one of my favorite dishes, which is butter chicken. I love this recipe. I actually got this from my aunt. So I have like everything pretty much chopped up. I have my chicken, I have my yogurt, my garlic, my red peppers. I got my onions chopped. I got my heavy cream, my garam masala, my chili powder, and I have a little bit of jeera in here, and the main ingredient, saffron. I love saffron. It just zhuzh up anything I cook when I use saffron. Okay, so first we're gonna marinate the chicken. We're gonna mix the yogurt, the garlic, and some spices, give it some flavor, and then we're gonna fry our chicken. We're gonna start with marinating the chicken breast. So I'm gonna add salt. Add salt to taste. So you marinate with your chicken. If you have lemon juice or slices of lemon, you can put the lemon. I forgot all about that and I ran out of lemon. I add some garlic, some chili powder and paprika. Mix that together. I love mine spicy. You can go ahead and stir that. Some turmeric. I don't know why I have white nails when I be eating with my hands. This makes no sense. I do this to myself all the time. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for like an hour. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some saffron and my chicken. Start frying our chicken. So it's browning, so I'm gonna turn the chicken. Chicken is pretty ready. I'm gonna put it on that plate, and then I'm gonna start making the butter sauce. The sauce in the same like oil that I fried the chicken with. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of saffron. Onions is browning. Add tomato paste. I like a tablespoon of yeast. I just like my measurements are all over the place. Okay, and then I didn't have milk, so I'm putting heavy cream. Okay, so I did wipe down this table, so you can just put your flour like this. Feel it, it's soft, it's warm. Your dough should feel like comfortable. Like you I'm gonna let this just sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go back and check on my buttered chicken. Chicken breast to that. Butter chicken. Ooh, I wish you guys could. Okay, so I'm done with my roti and my butter chicken, South African style. And I feel like cooking is very relaxing for me. It's like I become a creative, I try different stuff, I evolve my cooking in different ways. I hope you guys try this recipe. I'm about to dig in, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, like and share, and we'll catch up soon. Thank you.